Hello, I'm Dr. Phil, and today we're going to have two special guests on our show. We have Bob the Prokaryote and Alki Seltzer the Eukaryote.
Woohoo!
Mr. Alki, please.
It is bad enough you have to see me through a microscope because cells are so small.
Yes, and also are the main source of life. Everything around us is basically made up of cells. How do you feel about that instead of being a human like me?
It feels good, especially when you're one of the eukaryotes. Okay, so...
So you're a eukaryote?
Yes. My name is eukaryote.
So eukaryote, tell me about that.
I feel good being a eukaryote because I'm so complex.
Yes, on what type of cell do you appear? A plant or
And I have organelles. Look, here's my bulgy body, and here are my ribosomes, and here is my nucleus.
And what type of living things are you on? Are you in a plant, in an animal?
I personally prefer to be an animal cell because plant cells are boring. They have cell walls, you know.
Yes, but I also have some organelles that the plant cells don't have. I'm basically not a plant, I have animal cells. And we don't have a cell wall, so we don't have that tiny little bit of protection. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Great.
So why did you call me here?
Because apparently you have some distinctions with a friend of yours.
Oh, you mean Bob?
Yeah, Bob.
Prokaryote?
Yes, the prokaryote.
He's so simple. He's so stupid. I like to bother him.
Yes, indeed you do. Now tell us, mister, Okay, so apparently you're eukaryotes, and you're basically just in any living thing like any animal.
Yes,
or
I
human.
think we already went through this.
Yes, just so the viewers can know what type where are you located. And now everybody, please give a warm and cellorific welcome to Bob the Prokaryote. Okay, now everybody, now why don't we welcome Bob the Prokaryote. Come on, Bob.
I have so many organelles. I'm proud of it.
Here you go, Bob. Now, Bob, tell us, you're a prokaryote. You're usually in plant cells, and you at least must have a couple of two.
Are you kidding? Prokaryotes are probably the loveliest type of... They are the lovely cell because nobody likes them. They are called unicellular organisms. Isn't that right, Bob?
Ooh, that was
Oh, you have to say the truth. So basically, it's just one cell. And they actually have cell walls, which makes them a little interesting. But they have no organelles. They only have their DNA floating inside of them.
Okay.
I have all my DNA in my nucleus.
Why, Uncle Seltzer? Why? What have I done to you?
Okay, look, quiet and you quiet. As you can see, we're having a very difficult discussion. Just because he's a lot smarter and he has a brain, and he has nothing. He only has his stuff flying around like a 3-year-old. The good thing of him, he has a cell wall, which gives him an extra bubble of protection, not only counting the cell membrane. So
Listen,
tell us.
I think you're getting a little out of topic because, you know, I am clearly the superior being. Look at my flagellum. Flagellum moves the cell.
I have
Flagellum.
enough. You're coming down right now. Want to test my cell
Oh,
wall?
no, you aren't coming right down,
You want
man.
to test my cell wall?
Stop.
My
Back to the topic.
vesicles.
Now, tell us the differences and similarities between you both. You both have cell membrane. You both have mitochondria. And you both are basically in the living.
Are you
life.
kidding? He doesn't have no mitochondria. Look at my mitochondria. He has no mitochondria, which means he is boring. Or do you have mitochondria?
Yes, he does.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
I'm thirsty. I'm going to get some water. Because I actually can get water through endocytosis.
Okay, so...
I mean pinocytosis.
So while Mr. Seltzer is going on, I'm going to do a small commercial break.
Wow.
Meanwhile... Hey! I'm here to tell you that ATV gets your
cell up the stream. That's right, I'm talking mitosis, baby, all day long. ATP.
Active transport.
Drink it.
Adenosine triphosphate, it's good for you.
A unicellular organism. Body's getting pretty smart, even though you have a nucleus and you have DNA all over your cytoplasm. Now tell me, how does that feel?
Well, Mr. Dr. R.K. Seltzer always bothering me for that because I just don't have too many friends, you know, and I'm just the smallest one.
Okay, you're right. But you have a things in common. You both have genetics, you both grow, you have stimulus, you have cells, you have reproductions, you have homocysteine, you evolve, and you have energy.
Yes, but I'm telling you, I'm just so lonely. Sorry, I just needed to do that.
Have 8 things in common. We all have genetics and we grow and develop and we respond to our environment and we have cells. We are cells and we reproduce. We keep homeostasis, which is a stable internal environment, and we evolve and we have energy such as ATP for cell transport.